Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing knotless box braids on freshly washed and stretched hair. I'll be using the Easy Braid 1B. So this hair I got from a company on Amazon called SYbeauty. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box for this hair, and it also came with the crochet needle. So there's the name, it's SYbeauty pre-stretched 1B easy braids. So soft, so silky, already stretched, and that's what I need in my life. So I already started the back off camera because I wasn't sure if I was going to record this, because I already have a knotless box braid video on my channel. So this is like an updated video, but here I'm just showing you how soft, and look at the hair, just look at how it's moving without dipped in hot water. Look at how it's moving. So I'm going to be using the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers Edge Magic for braiders on my roots. So what I do is I take out the amount of braid that I use on each plait, if you know what I mean, and I split that braid into 4 pieces just so I get the same size for all braids. So as you can see, I'm using the Shine and Jam on the roots, and I'm gonna work my way to the ends just to avoid frizz while I'm doing these plaits. And you can just watch carefully how I do this knotless braid. I'm gonna leave it in real time so you can see exactly what I do. So I'm gonna take each piece of braid and I'm gonna put it under my middle finger braid. I'm just gonna be doing the same thing for each one time. Then I'm gonna add again underneath the middle finger and then keep braiding. I'm gonna go again, and remember I'm doing this 4 times with 4 pieces under the middle finger, and keep braiding under the middle finger and keep braiding. I am not the best at explaining what is going on in the video, but keep watching and you'll understand. Thank you. So I'm gonna go again in real time so you guys can see exactly how I do this. Well, how I do my knotless braids. Alright KK squad, so I'm on the last braid and it's in real time again, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I do my knotless braid. So it's 3 3 braids. I did 3 braids in this video, so just watch carefully. By the end of this video, you guys know what's up, what to do. All my beginners, listen, this is the video for you, because it doesn't get any better than this, right? All right. Okay, so a little fun fact, I started my hair 12 midnight and I got done 8 a.m. in the morning. Yes, 8 a.m. in the morning. And I used all 10 packs of braiding hair that came in the package. I don't know if I mentioned earlier in the video that 10 packs of braiding hair was in the package, but I used all 10. So this is before I dipped the hair in hot water, like I said. And guys, I'm not just saying, this is the best braiding hair I've ever used. Like, I've never used a braiding hair that's this soft and move like this without dipped in hot water. Listen, I'm not just saying, trust me. Look at that, before dipped, and now this is after it was dipped in hot water, and it's still soft, it's still beautiful, it still feels so good. I didn't have any tangle problem, none of that, while doing this hairstyle, trust me. Sorry guys if I sound off my voiceover. I just got home from work. I am super tired, but I told myself I have to get this video up today, so I'm doing this voiceover. Please excuse me, I just want to get this out there so you guys can see this bomb beginner knotless braids and this bomb braiding here. I just had to. But yes guys, loving it, love it. For me, comment down below, let me know what you think, let me know your thoughts, and I'll definitely leave all information down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the support. I appreciate it all the time. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.